Well, hello everyone. What a great day. What a start to our Norfolk coast adventures. Oh, absolutely beautiful on Camilla and I today. Oh, lovely. Flip you round. Yeah, I started here this morning. Really haven't had a chance to record this. I've just stopped to record this quick summary of the day because it's been so busy with bird life. I haven't been able to stop. Started the day here with a barn owl, lovely barn owl hunting amongst the fields, and yeah, lovely little bit of footage and a few stills. Beautiful. What a start to the day. Oh, don't you know when it's just going to be a cracker. So tomorrow we're meeting up with Steve Hedges, so I thought I'd better go and suss out RSPB Titchwell Marsh to see what was around at the moment, and yeah, had another lovely experience at RSPB Titchwell Marsh. Beautiful, a lovely reserve, one of my favourites in the country. So yeah, just a short trip down the road from here is from where I'm staying is RSPB Titchwell Marsh, and anyway, I went over the entire area, went to the fen hide, went to the island hide, went to the beach area and the woodland area, just about covered it all to suss it out for tomorrow. Anyway, yeah, some lovely golden plover and avocets I think stole the show. Yeah, I got one shot of some avocets linked to a shot of some avocets, which was particularly nice as they came into land. Lovely light. After all, photography is all about the light. So anyway, yeah, I think we've sussed it out pretty well for tomorrow. Didn't see many marsh harriers. I had one fly over near the fen hide, but apart from that, not many birds of prey at Titchwell Marsh, but I'm sure we'll find some in due course. Really looking forward to tomorrow with Steve Hedges. Yeah, fellow YouTuber and professional photographer. He makes a living out of photography, so yeah, always a hats off to anybody who can actually make a living out of photography these days. Ooh. Yeah, so also at Titchwell Marsh there was some lovely golden plover. Must be at least a 400 strong flock of golden plover. And on the beach I managed to catch up with one of my favourite wading birds, the bar-tailed godwit, and indeed got a little bit of footage of the bar-tailed godwit. So yeah, linked to a bit of footage of the bar-tailed godwit. Beautiful bird, and yeah, anyway, hopefully more coming, well, tomorrow. It will be next week on Camilla and I with Steve Hedges. Anyway, just a taster for now of what Norfolk coast has to offer. yeah, so it's getting a bit dark now on the first day, so that's why I'm recording this as the pink-footed geese fly overhead. And yeah, doubt if you can make out the distinctive noise, but yeah, they set off these delta waves into the distance. Anyway, bye for now. See you next week.